Assalamu alaikum. I am Dinasha auntie.
I am Nasri auntie.
Hope you all are doing fine. Let's read the dua. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli.
Today we are going to teach you something very interesting.
Let's recall what you have learned from yesterday's lesson. Iyaga kudin kiyevi arabige abafili ibifili ubufili. Den hinga fili jahagin kalimai kiyalama. Zukira. MashaAllah, barar rangal. At first, let's watch a video. Are you ready?
The sh sound. sh, ship, sh. sh sounds sh, as in ship. Stop. Shout out to the big ship in the sea. sh in shop sounds sh. Let's find out what our friends got from the toy shop. Look at this word, sheep. The letters sh in sheep make the sh sound. Put out your lips a little. Let air flow out of your mouth to make the sh sound, as in ship. Try again. This time, put your hand on your throat. It did not move or vibrate. Let us look at some more words that begin with the letters sh and make the sh sound, as in ship. Click on the letter that makes the sh sound. Shell. Click on the letter that makes the sh sound. Shoe. Click on the letter that makes the sh sound. Shark. Let us look at some other words with the letters sh that make the sh sound. Click on the letter that makes the sh sound. Bush. Click on the letter that makes the sh sound. Brush. Click on the letter that makes the sh sound. Wash.
So, what do you learn from the video? MashaAllah, very good. The sh sound, right? So, today we are going to learn about sh sound. From the video, you have seen some words that starts with the sh sound and some words that ends with the sh sound. At first, let us look at some words that starts with sh sound. Shark, sheep, shampoo, ship, shell, shirt. MashaAllah, good job. I'm so proud of you all.
Now can you think and name some words that start with sh sound? MashaAllah. Wow, good job. So now let's learn about some words that end with sh sound. At first, can you try some words that end with sh sound? Well done. So let's read some words that ends with sh sound. Fish, blush, dish, wash, cache, brush. Good job, kids. I hope you have learned some words that start with sh sound and some words that end with sh sound.
Now let's play a game. Do you want to play? Okay. I'll read some words that starts and ends with the sh sound. What you have to do is, when I read a word that starts with the sh sound, you have to jump forward. And when I read a word that ends with the sh sound, you have to jump backward. Okay, are you ready? Everyone, please stand up and stretch your arms. Okay, let's play. Shampoo, cache, fish, shirt, shark, blush, brush, wash, sheep, dish. Now let me read it a bit faster. Listen carefully. Shampoo, fish, shark, brush, sheep, cash, shirt, blush, wash, dish.
It was fun, right? I hope you all enjoyed. So I want you all to recall some words that start with sh sound and some words that end with sh sound and make some picture cards like this. Shark, sheep, shampoo, fish, blush, dish. You can paste these picture cards at your study corner or you can use these cards to read too. So, at last, I want you all to do this small activity at home and send some photos to teacher.
Now we are going to relate a story, The Hungry Caterpillar. Children, have you heard about this story? This is a very interesting story. Let's watch.
Hello everyone! Today we're gonna read this storybook called The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Erica. Oh, what can you see on this cover? Oh, we can see a caterpillar, right? How does he look? Is he happy or sad? I think he's sad. Do you know why? Maybe he's very hungry, right? Do you think he can find some food? Yes? Maybe. Let's see what happened in the story. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. Can you point to the egg? Here, right. Is it big or small? It is very small. And how many eggs are there? There is only one egg. Hello, moon. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. Oh, look at the caterpillar. It is very cute, isn't it? He started to look for some food. I want some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, a piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. Oh, he ate too much. That night, he had a stomachache. Oh, that's too bad. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf. Wow. Do you think it is a good food or bad food? I think it's a good food. And after that, he felt much better. Now, he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. Wow, it is really colorful and beautiful, isn't it?
Okay, now I will ask some questions. Try to answer. What came out of the egg? That's right, a caterpillar came out of the egg. What did the caterpillar eat first? Very good. Apple. What did the caterpillar eat on Tuesday? Two pears. On which day caterpillar ate plum? Yes, Wednesday. How long the caterpillar stay in the cocoon? Very good. More than 2 weeks, right? Now it's time to finish today's lesson. Let's recall what we have learned today.
Okay, what sound you learned today? That's right, sh sound. Can you name some words that start with sh sound? Well done.
What story did you read today? That's right. Did you like the story? MashaAllah, excellent kids. Keep up the great work. So, this is the end of the lesson for today. Hope to see you tomorrow.
Bye bye. Stay home.
Stay safe.
Assalamu alaikum.